On June 16, 2023, along I-88 in Duanesburg, New York, a routine traffic stop turned into a violent shootout. State Trooper Richard Albert pulled over a vehicle clocked at over 100 miles per hour. As he approached the car, 32-year-old Nelson Troche opened fire from the driver's window, hitting the trooper in the shoulder. Despite his injury, Trooper Albert returned fire. The gunfire caused a multi-vehicle crash on the highway. As chaos unfolded, Troche and his girlfriend Alicia Ariel tried to flee. After attempting to hijack another vehicle and running into nearby woods, Troche ultimately took his own life. This footage captures the intensity of that day.
Post 108, shots fired. I need assistance. Shots fired, milepost 108. Shots fired. Contact, shots fired. I'm hitting the arm. Milepost 108.
Contact 3G64.
3G64, shots fired. Milepost 108, turn to Duanesburg. One black male, one white female. Fleeing west to eastbound.
Shots fired, mile marker 108. See the black male fleeing the scene there?
Affirmative, they just hijacked the vehicle. It's immobile because it was in a collision. It's a Ford pickup. Get down!
Ford pickup fleeing from the scene, hijacked vehicle. 3G64, are you secure?
Negative! Not in custody. I'm hitting the arm. Put your hands up!
14.
Put your hands up! Get out of the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle!
Contact 3G22, 3G23.
Get out of the vehicle!
15IG13.
Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle! Now!
3G22, 3G23.
Get out of the vehicle!
3G22, I need to start I-88 eastbound, mile marker 108. I have a trooper involved shooting.
Be advised, they're still shooting. Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle!
2-2 and 2-3, believe I am still in an active situation. Shots still being fired.
Get out of the vehicle! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Shots fired.
Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle! Put your hands up!
No further. The caller stated that he got into an accident on I-88 and somebody shot at it. We're gonna contact
3G64, Scary, I need assistance. Shots fired. Post 108. It's gonna be the town of Duanesburg.
Square, any available?
Put your hands up!
88, Duanesburg. Copy. 173, Gary, copy en route.
Put your hands up!
Crazy.
Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle!
7-1.
6-4 Scary, be advised I'm hitting the left arm. Put your hands up!
CC to 6-4, 1118. For DOT and also the way. I don't know if feature 6-4 is the wolf, they just got hit the right arm.
CG64, all eastbound traffic stopped due to a collision. I have the suspects hold down in a vehicle they tried to obtain from the collision and it's immobile. They're inside actively shooting. Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Thank you, 401.
Put your hands up! 3G64 ComSec.
Check 3G64.
The shooter is on foot, fleeing into the wood line, south of I-88. Gonna need aviation and a canine. Put your hands up! Stand up!
South of I-88 at 1119.
He's gonna be wearing, I believe, jean shorts or running shorts and a black hoodie. He's armed with a silver handgun.
Running shorts and a black hoodie, silver handgun, 1120.
Thanks for watching. This incident is a powerful reminder of the dangers law enforcement officers face every day. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts below. And if you want to stay updated on more real-world footage and breakdowns, subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay safe, stay aware, and we'll see you in the next one.